What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Okay, let's admit it, beginners hate planks. And not only the beginners but even the experienced fitness players also hate it. But considering the advantages of planks, there is no second thought as to why you should practice planks daily. Here's how you do a normal plank. Lie down on the ground on your stomach, then hold your body weight on your elbows and toes, while keeping your back straight, and hold on to that position. Planks are the best way to come into shape without having to have the equipment or a trainer to guide you. This core exercise is primarily about strengthening your whole body. But there's a catch: to get maximum benefits from this workout, planks should be practiced for longer stretches. Still not convinced? Don't worry, we are going to give you 7 solid reasons to practice planks every day. So keep watching the video and make sure to subscribe our channel through subscribe button below this video. Here are the 7 amazing benefits of doing planks daily. 1. Body balance. While trying to balance your body on your elbows and toes, planks help you find your center of gravity. It is that point where you can rotate in any direction, basically a point where your body weight is balanced on the opposite sides. Side planks can be of great help in maintaining balance and improving coordination. 2. Body posture. You are required to keep your back straight while practicing planks. You may experience a bit of back pain in the initial few attempts. But eventually, it strengthens your back and improves your posture as your body adapts to the posture. A good body posture increases productivity, improves mood and aids breathing. 3. Improved performance. Planks is a core strengthening exercise. It engages all of your core muscles at once to give you the following advantages. Improved weight lifting capability. Improved athletic performance, particularly where you need to run. Improved ability to bend sideways and twist your waist. Makes your back stronger. 4. Reduced risk of a back injury. Planks help ensure you don't exert too much pressure on your hips and backbone. Practicing regular planks can help you reduce back pain and will strengthen areas around your upper back. 5. Enhanced metabolism. The ability to boost your metabolism is one of the most important benefits of planks. At the same time, planking challenges your whole body. This one way of exercising helps you burn more calories than regular crunches and sit-ups. This muscle-building exercise helps you burn more energy even if you sit all day. Practicing planks 10 times a day boosts your metabolism for a stretch of 60 seconds and keeps it high all day long. 6. Improved flexibility. Lack of flexibility is one of the most significant causes of workout injuries. This exercise stretches and strengthens your shoulders, collarbones, hamstrings and other muscles. It can be very helpful to add a side plank to your regular planks to improve your overall flexibility. 7. Mood improvement. Exercising does boost your mood in every way. This is considered one of the important advantages of planks, however. It helps you release muscles that are getting stiff due to lack of physical activity. Releasing physical stress that helps you relax both physically and mentally. These were the 7 benefits of doing planks regularly. Press like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more health, fitness and beauty related videos.